Hello. Today we are going to discussions. The topic name is government job versus private job. My name is Prachi Shukla. I am a favor of private job.
And my name is Shruti. I am favor of government job
Hmm. Shruti, uh, what? How can you say that a government job is better than private job?
because there were no more tension. There are good salary and also fixed salary. And how can you say that private job are better than government job?
Yeah, because I think uh, private job is better than government job because in the private job there is more promotions, replacements, and
There were also replacement in government job and also promotion in government job.
yeah, you are right. But uh, in sometimes like promotions in the government job, it's only long time for long
No,
years
after
ago, and
after
in
six
the
month after 6 months
no,
there were
it
promotion in
cannot
government job.
possible. It's only some jobs like possible, and
and
I am talking
also
to private
and
jobs.
also private job are
It is
depend in a
only
skill.
no. Now that time private job not matter to skills because private job only depend on exam. If you pass the exam, you will join to
And
government
also
job
there were
easily.
importance of skill.
Skills, talent only important in private job because if you present your skills, if you present your company's target, you will promotion, you will replacements, and you will get uh, best opportunity in the that job.
Yes.
And I think there is a much and more career opportunity in the private job, and there is a no career opportunity in government job. Only employees living like a prison, it means jail. Prisons like
No, there
living
there were.
because there is a much and more rules and regulation, but in the private job there is a no regulation. Employees
How can you say
live
that
in
there is no
only
regulation?
freedoms.
How can you say that there is no regulation? uh, there is also regulation. There are much regulations uh, in a government sorry, private job. There are lists and also there are some regulation, rule and regulation in government job.
इधर देखा करो. Uh, no, because in the government employees always living like prisons, always living like frustrations, and in the private job employees there is a no frustration. He always easily appointed. He always join to other job easily, and he is freedom to join other
And
job. But
also
in the government job, employees
also
has no freedom
if
to
we
join.
if we want to if we want to reject the government job, so we can reject government job.
But it is a rare condition. Who person can reject a
If we
government job?
if
If you join,
you
if
know
you
if
have a
we
joining letter, of course you can join that time. No,
Yes.
I think that's not possible. And
If we
in the private job there is no more holiday, but in sometimes holiday
there
also
are also government job
available.
in the much holiday,
Yeah,
we can enjoy with family easily.
yeah, it's possible. I agree with your point. And uh, according to flexibility, there is a much and more flexibility in private job.
Yes, there are also much tension and much uh, there are much tension and much frustrations in the private job.
But
You both have spoken so well. That's good, very nice. And I would like to clap for both. Reason is that you have spoken so well about the government job versus private job. So all of yours languages and speaking power is very nice. Looking to your age. So this time all of you are students of Hindi medium, not totally English medium. I think that Hindi medium you have studied well. So you, mostly you, Hindi medium.
yes.
And nowadays you have taken admission in English medium. So that's good, very nice. Thank you so much. If like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much watching this video.